In this video, you will learn how to register your CRA account for the first time in Canada. First, gather the required documents for your social security number, your date of birth, your current postal address, and a valid email address. Then, go to Google Chrome. After that, visit the CRA website. Search in Google, Canadian Revenue Agency. Then press enter. Choose the type of account. You'll be likely creating a CRA account for individuals or personal taxes. You can also create a CRA for business account. Then, select CRA Register. Click on the CRA Register button for new users. This is on the right hand side. After that, complete the registration process. Enter your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and SIN number. Then, choose and answer security questions. After that, create a CRA user ID and password. Then, set up two-factor authentication. You will need your phone or an email to do this. Verification. The CRA will send a security code by mail or by email for verification. Access your CRA account. Once successfully registered, log into your CRA account with your user ID and your password to manage your personal taxes and other services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.